The world today has two big concerns: protection and provision. It is coming up to a question of lives and livelihood. How can we get access to protection and provision? Things will not happen automatically on its own. When we need something, we need to take action. So, what steps are you taking for ensuring protection and provision? Are you waiting for the vaccine? Are you hoping that the hot weather will kill the virus? Are you hoping that the job stays secure? Or are you hoping some other source of income will show up? All this seems to be about waiting and watching and hoping. We need to position ourselves so that we can get what we are seeking. For protection, we need to go to the protector. For provision, we need to go to the provider. We need to go to the place where we can access the protector and the provider. And that place is the secret place, a place where you meet the ultimate protector and provider, Lord Jesus. King David ran to the refuge of God when he was in distress, and God blessed King David and he sang this song. The Lord is my shepherd. He feeds, guides, and shields me. I shall not want anything more. He lets me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still and quiet waters. He refreshes and restores my soul and life. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for Lord, you are with me. Your rod protects me and your staff guides me. Lord, you prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You have anointed and refreshed my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy and unfailing love shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell forever in the house and in the presence of the Lord. So beautiful. In spite of all the uncertainties that is in the world right now, do you want to experience God's blessed assurance? If yes, invite Jesus into your heart. Spend some time in His presence today. May you also experience His blessings like King David experienced when he ran to the Lord for refuge. And when you experience hope and joy in you, share it with the people around you and be a blessing in their lives.